Hi, welcome back to our monthly roundup from Binks Balustrades. Firstly, I'm pleased to announce that we've been awarded the Best of Houzz 2021 award for customer service. This is a great achievement for us as we pride ourselves on great customer service. This month, we have completed 2 oak transformation staircases, one in Halifax and the other one in Guiseley. This is an amazing idea which completely transforms your old white wooden spindle balustrade into a modern feature with our beautifully crafted oak work by our joiner Ben. Both of these have 10mm toughened glass slotted into the oak groove to give a completely seamless effect. Also this month we have a spiral staircase with glass balustrade in production for a customer over in Birstall. This is going to be the main feature of this property and the design is fantastic. We're really excited to show you the finished product on this one in the next few months when the renovations are complete. Finally, we've started an install for a good friend of ours, Brendan, from Labs, Basement and Damp Proofing Specialists. They're in the process of building a new office in Sheffield and have asked us to create a glass screen and a glass door to separate their office from the main showroom. We've continued to create new content for you all this month with some more product reviews for On Level, who we are now approved installers for. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this monthly roundup, please drop us an email at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk or leave us an inquiry on the website and we'll get back in touch with you within the next 24 hours. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next video.